Espérate, no sale grabando, que salga grabando. Ya. Hello, Catherine. How are you?
Hello, Jenny.
Well, Tranjo, what are you doing?
I was doing exercise with my best friend. She is a gym instructor.
Good. How old are you?
She, she is 25 years old.
What is your name?
Liliana López Quispe.
What's Chinese name? And what team do you go works?
She works in the afternoon from 5 p.m.
And what is your daily routine like?
In the morning, she gets up at 6 p.m. Make her bed, go to bath, and then has breakfast. She prefers to drink papaya juice because she doesn't like any other juice. Starting at 8 o'clock, he will be at his academy. When she leaves, she goes to eat her boyfriend and takes a short walk until she starts work, which is 5 in the morning afternoon.
Great. Yes, excellent discipline.
Yes, and you have a friend?
Yes, this is lady.
How long have you known her?
Is she a childhood friend? Wow, where was celebrate her birthday? To her
When did you read them? When is your birthday?
birthday. Every birthday is my life.
Does she work?
Yes, he works in the morning.
What do you do?
She is an English teacher at the secondary school.
Great. And what does it do in the afternoon?
The team she leaves work is at 1 p.m. and the afternoons she usually goes for her mother's house for lunch and then they enjoy a good movie and 6 p.m. She goes to the mall shopping. And drinks Starbucks. No. She loves coffee. Some things usuals. Who odds wins air and we go shopping.
And does she go to the gym or do any sports?
No. She prefers to read books and go. Comes. Comes.
I hope that part of would go out. What do you think?
Yes. Songs go to me. Take showers or go study. Bye. Start harder.
Take care.